Okay, got a no heat call here. A job we just did. So, if I had to guess, I'm going to say the guys did not turn the gas valve on inside the cabinet. Now that's just gonna be my guess, but we'll see. And see if I can get a shot of it along the way. Should be a quick, simple call. All right. So, looks like that gas valve is on. And I hear the fan running, which fan running when it shouldn't be, but the high limit wire fell off. So I left the lighter. So let's open up these doors. Yeah, the valve is on. The wires are connected. I wonder what in the world's got the fan running. Now look at that. How'd I know that? Bet you anything she fires up now. So, these guys gotta stop letting me come behind them. Every time I do, I find something I don't want them to do. So where's the lid to this? Oh, the lid's gone because the wire's not long enough. And they don't want to go back and add wire out of the switch. Now, I don't have no problem with coming through like this, that's fine. But if you do that, you need to come through here, the strain relief, be pulled out. I don't have a problem with that, or bring the wire in the bottom. Regardless, she fired right up. So let's get this door back on and get out of these people's way. Well, I did put the grommets back in. But look how sloppy Armorflex. Like add a little 2-inch piece and a zip ties or a piece of tape. It tightens up the job. Wow. Can't sit here with them on every job. So, got the heat on. Grab a couple pieces of some black tape and a little short piece and we'll be out of here. Wire could have fallen off in shipping or at the factory, or likely when they were handling the furnace and wiring it. Sometimes I have seen some of my guys take the blowers out to make the furnace lighter and hand it up and down and stuff like that. That was a real small furnace. I doubt they did that, you know, that kind of way. So anyway, we get a lot of comments when I show these kind of videos of you know, what the installers sometimes make a little error here and there, and some of you guys will comment how, you know, I should make them go back and fix it, and you know how you would never, you know, do these little things. And basically, it's easy to watch a video and sit at your keyboard and critique someone else and state how perfect you are. But, you know, I'll give you the reason I don't make them go back. Number one, I don't really want installers dealing with people, customers, homeowners. We have a field supervisor that checks in on all the install jobs and does that. Y'all have seen her. Her name's Connie. Number two, I need them on the job, so if they're through and they're at home with their family, I need them out at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. They get started by 7:30 on most jobs, and you know, so I'll go do the little things. I mean, if they did it on half the jobs, absolutely, I would make this a more disciplinary type accountability situation. But these guys do 5, 6, sometimes 10 installs a week, and I don't expect them to be perfect. We do have a checklist, and a couple of those things really should have been, you know, dealt with. But like I said, I don't expect them to be perfect, and I appreciate the work they do. Now, I've said it in other videos, and I'll say it again. If you are a perfect installer, please contact me and consider moving to beautiful South Carolina. You can make $500 a day, sometimes more. So, you know, I don't have any perfect installers, so I'm always looking for them. I do welcome your comments and criticism. Like, share, subscribe, all of the above. But I just thought I'd mention, when you're commenting and saying how my installers are so terrible, I tell you what, they're a group of good guys, and I stand behind them. And if they make a little thing here and there that's less than perfect, it gives us something to talk about, something to work on, something to achieve, something to strive for. So anyway, that's 2 today that I had to go back and make a small adjustment, we'll say, on to get them working. And now I'm going to go in this little Greek restaurant, which is totally good, and get my wife and I some dinner. Probably can't see that sign, but it is called the Olive Tree. I don't know why the phone messes up that so bad. There it is, you can see it now. So, let's get us some dinner here. Thanks for watching, guys.